Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a date column in Google Sheets the easy way. If you've ever needed to keep track of timelines, schedules, or just want to organize your data by dates, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know not just how to insert today's date, but also how to customize, format, and instantly fill down an entire date column, saving you tons of time on your next project. Let's jump right into it. First up, open your Google Sheets document and navigate to the cell where you'd like your date to appear. Maybe it's the first cell in a new column marked Date, or maybe you're adding dates alongside a list of tasks. Just click on your starting cell so it's highlighted. That little green border means you're ready to go. Now here's a super handy shortcut for entering today's date. With your cell selected, simply press Ctrl and the semicolon key at the same time. That's Ctrl plus. Give it a try. As soon as you do this, you'll see today's date appear instantly in that cell. This is a great trick because you don't have to type the date manually. Google Sheets inserts it in the standard date format, which is generally year, month, and day. Now maybe you're wondering, what if I want a different date format or want the date to look a certain way? Don't worry, Google Sheets gives you tons of flexibility here. To change how your date is displayed, select the cell you just updated, head up to the Format tab in the top menu, then hover over Number and choose Custom Date and Time. You'll see a new window pop up where you can pick exactly how you want your dates to look. For example, maybe you prefer day, month, year instead of year, month, day, or you want the full month name spelled out. Take a moment here and pick the style that makes the most sense for your spreadsheet or your audience. Once you've chosen your format, click Apply. Now your date cell will instantly update to reflect your custom formatting, making your data look consistent and professional. Here where it gets really cool. Let's say you're not just adding a single date but want to create a whole column of sequential dates, maybe to represent a week, a project timeline, or daily entries. Click on the cell with your formatted date. You'll notice a small square in the bottom right corner of the cell border. This is called the fill handle. Place your cursor over it until it turns into a plus sign, then click and drag the handle down along your column. As you pull the fill handle down, Google Sheets will automatically fill each cell with the next date in the sequence. This is especially helpful if you need dozens or hundreds of dates. You don't have to type each one out, just let Google Sheets do the work for you. Don't worry if the formatting looks a little off at first. Sometimes it takes a moment for Sheets to catch up, especially if you're filling down a lot of rows. If your sequence doesn't look right, double-check your starting format and try dragging again. And that's all there is to it. So now you know how to quickly add today's date, customize the format to match your style, and fill down a whole column in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. If you have any questions about date formatting or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical Google Sheets tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.